Every homeowner knows the feeling. You've lived with the same floors long enough. The dog scratches, spilled juice boxes, the grout is graying, or the laminate is lifting. And now, you're ready for something new. But where do you go, and who can you turn to for trusted advice? With so many choices, the process can quickly become overwhelming. Lauren and Ryan Dodson of Columbus know exactly what that feels like.
Wanting to get the new floors, looking at our ones that we had with water stains and animal lines and scratches and marks, and not one surface. We had different surfaces on our living area compared to the kitchen, so wanted to just make one even flow.
When I look at the floors, it never looked complete to me. It was different surfaces. The one in the living room, I did myself, so it was not a professional job, so I was reminded of that a lot.
It was just time to replace the floors. Now that the kids are a little older, wanting to redo some things throughout the house, and just thinking starting from the floor up would be the best way to do it.
When we started to look for floors, we would start at the typical big box places that you would go, and just looking online and looking for different things and seeing what was out there.
The process was very overwhelming, especially doing it on your own without a professional. Some of those bigger box stores, they'll tell you what you want to hear and say, this is a good one, but not actually knowing what it truthfully is.
There's just so many options, so many different types of flooring, so many different types of carpet patterns. It was just a lot to take in at once.
So many things in flooring that you just don't know, even just looking up online. Like, we needed the professional source to tell us the specs and the route to take of what to choose.
Family-owned and locally operated, Levi's 4 Floors has been part of the community for decades. As Columbus's only premier flooring center, they have the knowledge, experience, and expertise to help you pick a floor that's perfect for your space.
Levi's 4 Floors was started by my father, uncle, and grandfather in 1986. We've been lucky enough to grow to 5 locations all around the city. We've built a business on being honest and selling people flooring that is good for them, not what we just want to sell. We are professionals and experts in flooring, whereas at a box store, you could be working with somebody who was selling light bulbs last week. We care about the customer, and we're not just trying to make a sale. We want the product that they purchase to last. We want them to love it when it gets in their home. It's important to us that it's not just a sale today. It's something that it'll be there for a very long time, and when they want to do another flooring project, they come back to us. One thing I wish everybody understood before they walk into any flooring store is installation is just as important as the product. You can buy the best flooring out there, but if it's a poor installation, it's not going to hold up. We pride ourselves on our installation and service.
Flooring design consultant Sherry Snyder has guided hundreds of Columbus families through exactly this process.
When a customer walks into Levi's 4 Floors, I like to start the conversation as in what direction we're shopping for. Will it be hard surface? Will it be soft surface? How long you're going to be in the home? What our expectations are for the room? Do you have dogs? Do you have children? There's a lot of good questions as far as how you're going to use the space. I do feel like once you kind of know where their lifestyle is, you are able to direct them better to a floor that can meet what their expectations would be for that floor. Homeowners need to ask more questions about fiber, because there is so many fibers now that there wasn't before. Carpet isn't just carpet, so I feel like fiber is a really big one that they need to talk a little bit more about. And then on the hard surface side of it, you can buy luxury vinyl plank, you can buy hardwood. They need to maybe ask more questions about what the warranties are or how is it made. There's a lot of things that have changed in the industry over the years I have worked. So more questions have to be asked. It needs a lot more conversation.
Selection is one half of the process. Installation is the other. At the Dodson home, the crew inspects and prepares the subfloor first, ensuring it's level, stable, and ready. Once that's done, the new flooring goes in.
Our reaction walking in was just a complete awe. Our house looked completely different. It was beautiful, it was complete, just took our breath away.
Yeah, the old floor, it was just, two different floors. It was pretty choppy, and now the new one, everything kind of really pops, stands out.
I think it's important of who helps you in the process, of all the different options that were out there, of all the different hard surfaces that we looked at, then seeing the true core hard surface that we ended up going with. Just the look that it is, the feel that company provides with their hard surface. Also with the carpeting. Our carpet was old and dingy, and we went with Maslin brand, also with their pet protection that they cover and just the comfort of that brand as well. That's where I think Levi's for Floors guided us in that right direction, with us telling them what we're looking for in our new flooring, and those brands just met our expectations and exceeded it as well.
Levi's 4 Floors has been around Columbus for 40 years. We plan to stay around for another 40. So if you're looking for flooring, stop by one of our 5 locations. We will help you find the perfect floor for your lifestyle and experience the difference.
To learn more about Levi's 4 Floors, visit their website, levis4floors.com, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.